Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you something very important. If you are learning English, you should watch this video. But before we start, I have a question for you. I will show you a video and you have to tell me what this guy is talking, what he is saying, and comment in the comment box.
And here we are, the moment everybody was waiting for, the reunion with the Lion Pride.
Got it? Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe, please. And click on the bell icon so that you get all the updates. If you feel that you are scared, if you feel that you don't know how to speak in English, don't give up. Keep talking, keep learning, and I'm sure in next few months you will be able to speak English like me. For that, I have some important things to share with you today. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can start speaking in English. And also, I will share with you few movies which you can watch to improve your English. So first, let me share with you some exercise, some lesson which you can practice and become fluent in English. If you know English, it becomes easy for you to communicate with people wherever you go. There are so many English speaking countries like Australia, America, New Zealand, the entire Caribbean islands, Ireland, Canada. So all these countries, they have native English speakers. So if you learn English, it is an advantage for you. I will tell you how you can practice your English. So this is what you can see in the screen. Student A and student B. So when you talk to people, you can follow this type of conversation. Student A is saying, "Would you like to go for a movie?" Student B, "No, I can't. I am sorry." You can reply this way. Next, "Would you like to have coffee?" "Sure, that sounds great." Next, "Would you like to go for shopping with me?" You can say, "Thanks for asking. I would like that." Okay, so it's like you are inviting someone or you are accepting someone's request or how to refuse from this. Next, "Do you want to go for dancing tonight?" If you don't want, you can say, "I'm sorry, I can't. I'm busy." So in this way, you can learn the basics of conversation. Questioning and answering is very important because when you talk to people, you have to answer or you have to ask questions. So here are some common questions and common answers which you can use on a regular basis. So the questions are, what do you do? The answer can be, I am a student. If you're a student, you can say I am a student. Or I work as a tour guide for a local tour company. Or I'm retired now. I used to be an engineer. You can also say I'm unemployed at the moment. If you don't have any job, you can say that. Different ways of talking, different ways of replying. Next, what is the weather like today? The answer can be, oh, gorgeous, a perfect summer day. Or hot and humid. Or it's raining heavily at the moment, if it is a rainy day. Or it's quite cold, if it is winter. Next, what time is it? You can say it's 4:30 or it's 4:15. This is how you can reply. Next, why are you studying English? Why are you studying English? Do you know? Please reply. Let me know. Why are you studying English? Let me see how perfectly you can answer. Done? Now let's move on to the second part of the video. In this part, I will share with you 3 movies, names of 3 movies which you can watch to improve your English and how to watch movies so that your English gets better. So what are the importance of movies? When you watch English movies, there are so many things you can work on. Your pronunciation, the accent, the grammar. You know, when you watch people talking, you will understand where they pause, where they smile, which you will not learn by reading books. When you read books, you will know OWL means owl. And in the same way, if you say B-O-W-L, you will say bowl. No, it's ball. See, so much of difference. From where you will learn? You will learn through movies. In the books, you will not find idioms, modern phrases, expressions. If you want to know all this, better watch movies. There are so many ways to express yourself. Suppose you want to ask someone, please wait. Okay, you can say in another way. Hey, hang on. Hold on, please. I'm coming. All these things you will learn when you watch movie very carefully. Suppose there is a fighting scene or a funny scene in the movie. If you don't understand properly what they are talking, through the situations, through the way they express, you will understand what exactly is going on. This is a great way to improve your English. There are so many genres like romantic movies, comedy movies, or rom-com movies, which is romantic comedy, or also sci-fi movies, biography based on people's life, documentaries, horror movies. What type of movies you like to watch, my dear friend? Please comment. Okay? So, steps to follow. How to watch movie so that you benefit. Number 1, enjoy the movie. Whatever you watch, just enjoy whatever you are watching. Next, what you can do, whichever movie you like, whichever movie you picked up, first time you just watch the movie. Okay, don't keep anything in your mind, just watch, enjoy the movie. If you understand, fine. If you don't understand, that's also fine. Second time, what you will do, take a notebook and a pen. Pick up the words which you don't understand. Pick up the words, phrases, expressions which you don't understand. Write it down. And along with that, write the meaning of those. Later, once the movie is over, once you're free, you can work on those. Yes, in the second time, you need to add on the subtitles. You need to watch the movie with the subtitles. Third time, switch off the subtitles. This time, you are watching and trying to understand because you have already picked up the new words, new phrases. I'm sure when you watch the movie for the third time, it will be so easy for you to understand. Here, you need to give more importance to your listening. First time when you watch, it is sure that you will miss out on many things because in many places you will not understand. Second time, you are learning, and the third time, you understand everything. You realize that it's so easy. So the first movie you can watch is Moana. The second movie which you can watch is Tangles. The third movie which you can watch is The Lion King. These are all animated movies, my dear friends. I am giving you the names of these movies because the language in this movie is very easy. Sentences are short. So start with these movies. Got it? So these are the 3 movies for the day. And see you again. Thank you.